Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. It is Thursday morning, about 8:30, 20 degrees out. It is so cold out here. Let's warm up a little bit. I just wanted to remind you that everything on my channel is Googleable. You can, if you're looking for a certain video or a certain playlist, you can Google YouTube David West Fire Roll Playlist, or you can Google YouTube David West Wet Wood. That's something I had a subscriber ask me about the other day. If you're familiar with my other techniques like bamboo fire saw, YouTube David West bamboo fire saw. Same goes for the tools and the materials that I use. You can Google Amazon Mora Companion stainless steel heavy duty, although this is not a heavy duty. You could Google like the wool blanket that I use when you see me bow drilling on the ground. That is a wool blend from Harbor Freight, so of course you would Google Harbor Freight wool blend blanket. A lot of people ask me about that orange handled saw that I use to cut the notches in my bow drill fireboards, and I've told many people, you wouldn't just know this, but I've told them that is a Japanese pull saw, and it was meant to cut PVC, like the small PVC pipes that would be under a sink. Google Amazon Japanese pull saw, PVC saw, that saw will come right up. So I just wanted to remind you that everything on my channel is Googleable. Let's do some ferro rod ignition. Now I can tell these pine needles still have some moisture in them because they refuse to break down. That's an indication that they're going to be difficult to ignite, probably. We'll go ahead and give it a try. Many times through the years, what are you using for an emerald catch? And I tell them that they're black leather, and I have two of them, and they came from a multi-pack of scrap leather from Hobby Lobby. Once again, you just want to Google Hobby Lobby scrap leather multi-pack, and it should pop right up. And here is my keychain ferro rod. Once again, you want to Google Amazon Bayite keychain ferro rod, and a 3-pack of these will pop up for about $12. That had a flat, no, it went out. So if you ever wondered if I've dealt with any kind of technique with any kind of materials, if you want to know what the tools are or where you can get the tools on my channel, everything on my channel is Googleable. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.